In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create delivery note in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enable delivery notes, how to set them up to match your business, and how to save those preferences so they're ready whenever you dispatch an order. A delivery note is the document that accompanies goods you ship. It lists what's being sent, helps your warehouse and courier verify items, and gives your customer a clear record of what arrived. Getting this right saves time and avoids disputes. Start by opening Zoho Books and signing into your organization. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you're using a role with permission to change organization settings. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, check with your administrator to adjust your access. From the dashboard, look to the top bar and click the settings icon, typically shown as a small gear. This takes you to the area where all your account-wide preferences live. In the settings page, select Profile or Organizational Profile. This is the central place for company-level information and defaults that flow into your documents. Here, you'll find groups of preferences organized by function. Locate the Sales section, often presented as a card or tile, and open it. The Sales section governs quotes, invoices, delivery documents, and other sales-related forms, so any changes you make here will be consistent across your sales workflow. Inside the Sales area, choose Delivery Notes. This is where you enable delivery notes and define how they should look and behave. Start by reviewing the numbering format. Set a clear prefix, such as DN or DLN, and choose a starting number that won't conflict with your existing documents. Consistent numbering helps with tracking and auditing. Next, select a template layout that matches your branding. Ensure your company logo and address are correct, and verify that customer and shipping addresses appear exactly where you expect. Look for fields that control what appears on the note item names, quantities, units, and any remarks. If there's an option for additional information like reference numbers, shipment dates, or internal notes, decide what should be visible to customers and what should remain internal. Add default notes for couriers or customers if you regularly include handling instructions. If signatures are part of your handover process, enable the signature section so recipients can sign on delivery. When everything looks right, click Save. Your delivery note settings are now active and will apply the next time you generate a delivery note from a sales transaction. If you ever change your numbering, templates, or terms, return to the same delivery notes area to update them. That's it. Your delivery notes are set up, standardized, and ready to support smooth, accurate shipments.